welcome. Today we're going to delve into understanding contemporary cyber threats. Our goal is to equip you with the essential insights needed to build a truly resilient defense in your organizations. To do this effectively, we must first navigate the evolving threat landscape. It's critical that we understand the motives driving attackers and refine our defense strategies to build and maintain a robust security posture against them. Let's examine the common attack vectors. First, the malware epidemic, which includes viruses, worms, trojans, and ransomware that infiltrate systems to damage data or disrupt operations. Then we have phishing scams, where deceptive emails and websites are used to trick users into revealing sensitive login credentials or financial details. Networks are also targeted by DDoS overload, as distributed denial-of-service attacks overwhelm them, rendering services inoperable and causing significant downtime. We can't forget insider threats. Employees or contractors with system access can cause harm or leak sensitive data, either intentionally or by accident. Finally, as cloud adoption increases, we see significant risks from platform weaknesses and third-party integrations, creating new cloud vulnerabilities. Understanding attacker motivations is key to anticipating their actions. These are diverse, ranging from financial gain and political statements to personal vendettas. The most common is financial exploitation, where criminals seek monetary gain through theft, extortion, or fraud by exploiting system vulnerabilities. The impact on business is severe. Successful breaches lead to reputational damage, which erodes long-term trust and customer loyalty. Furthermore, organizations face significant legal and regulatory consequences, with increasing scrutiny from stakeholders after a breach occurs. So, how do we cultivate cyber resilience? It starts by building a strong security culture. We must educate all employees on potential risks and best practices to foster a sense of shared security responsibility. This is supported by layered defenses, where we implement tools like firewalls and intrusion detection systems, alongside a commitment to regular software updates. Finally, resilience requires proactive assessments. By conducting regular risk assessments, we can identify vulnerabilities and effectively mitigate specific threats before they are exploited. Let's review the key insights for your defense. Malware is the most common threat vector, capable of crippling operations and holding your data hostage. Phishing remains highly effective, catching even cautious users off guard with deceptive emails and fake websites. DDoS attacks are a direct threat to business continuity, leading to costly downtime. We must also acknowledge that insider risk is serious, with employees and contractors posing a threat, whether intentionally or accidentally. Remember that attacker motives are diverse, including financial gain, hacktivism, and state-sponsored espionage. Ultimately, a layered defense strategy combined with a pervasive culture of awareness will always form your most effective security shield. www.markhayward-ebooks.com